If you're a restaurant owner and you're replying to Google reviews, you are losing customers, even if your food is amazing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to respond to Google reviews professionally, automatically, in seconds. I will even show you what exactly the system that I use for my clients. Let's start with why Google review responses matter so much. Google favors business that responds to reviews. Customers trust restaurants that reply, especially to the bad reviews. And review responses directly impact Google Maps ranking, customer trust, and repeat visits. But here's a real problem I see for restaurant owners. Owners are busy, managers forget, even staff can reply but sound robotic or less emotional, and bad reviews get ignored. And once you missed those all reviews, you never catch up. This is where AI changes everything. With AI, every review gets a response, the tone stays professional, bad reviews are handled calmly, and it runs 24/7, so you don't need to worry about it, what to reply or when to reply. And no, this is not ChatGPT copy and paste stuff. This is fully personalized and automated. Now let me show you how to exactly set up. Alright, okay, this is the back end of AI review agents. So you can actually set up in like 1 minute. So if you click create starter agents, it's gonna create automatically 5 or 6 agents like this. And these are specific agents that reply to specific reviews, like 3 stars above, 2 stars or below, or all reviews, or 4 stars above, 2 stars below. So you can choose it, and you can actually customize these agents. So if you click edit, you can give them name, you can add instructions, and you can set a tone, professional, funny, grateful for. Or if you click dynamic, that means that if somebody posts a review in Spanish, these AI agents are going to reply to them in Spanish too. So I highly recommend to just set up dynamic, and you can choose AI resources and review types, 2 stars or below or 5 stars. It's up to you. You can add a footer as well. So it's really helpful. And then now we're going to see how these AI review agents are going to reply. So this is an example. So Bistro Dragon, this is one of my clients in Chicago. They have great sushi. You should try, by the way. They got 2-star reviews. But here's how AI agent replies. Thank you for your feedback. We're sorry to hear that your experience didn't meet your expectations. We appreciate your input and always looking for ways to improve. If there are specific details you'd like to share, please reach out to us directly. So it's very professional. So for example, they got 5-star reviews, and these AI replied. It's great that AI can reply to all reviews while you're working or doing something else. And you can see actually AI summaries how your restaurant is doing as well, which is great because you don't have time to see every single review, but you can have the summary of it. So I highly recommend using this AI review agent to reply and monitor your reputations. So that's how you set up AI agent to reply any Google reviews. And this isn't just about customer service. Responding to reviews increase local SEO, Google Map visibility, and it signals active Google business profile management. Google wants active business, not silent one. So if you want full control, you can sign up GoHighLevel through my link. I personally help you set up everything you need for automation for Google reviews. And if you don't want to touch tech at all, I offer you a simple solution. I will set up everything for Google reviews automation for $29 per month, and your reviews are handled forever. I put my link below so you can book a demo with me. And remember, reviews are happening whether you respond or not. And AI just makes sure you never miss single review reply. If this helps, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. I'll see you in the next video.